Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome back to Daily Update. All right. In this video, obviously, we have to talk about Bitcoin. It's been very, let me quickly adjust this. It's been very, very bullish over the last week. I wasn't here for the last couple of days, but I have kept my eyes, of course, on Bitcoin. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts on the situation right now. All right. The momentum since Tuesday afternoon has dropped down a bit, but overall the markets are still very bullish. Now, the major thing we have to talk about, or at least the couple of major things we have to talk about, is the market structure as one of the things. All right, that's a clock again. Because if you look at the daily time frame, for example, excuse that. Wow. If you look at the daily time frame, right now we hit here at the very top, at the local top, we hit 71,900. That's also the main resistance we had at the end of March and the beginning of April, which means that purely technically, this could be the top of a consolidation range, and that we're going to drop back down towards 62 and 60,000 next. All right, because if you assume that this is a consolidation, that we're moving in a range, then after hitting the top, the bottom is most likely to come next. And right now, that could still happen. All right. I mean, overall, I think that if you look at the market right now, I think we have a good chance to actually break out and rally higher. All right. If you look at the volume, at least the volume that we had when we had that strong bullish move, volume back then was super high. All right. As high as it was during most of the real bull moves right here. So that's an indication that we could go higher. But then apart from that, we also have strong fundamentals that could indicate that a bullish breakout is coming. All right, so then obviously I'm talking about two things. First of all, the Ethereum ETF, which is mostly bullish for Ethereum, but it's also just bullish for crypto as a whole. And then we also have, but that's something we have to still wait for a little bit, and that's something we still have to monitor. And then we also have potentially lowering interest rates over the course of the year, which fundamentally is also bullish. So that's what we have to see right now. At this moment, I would say that it is still most likely, if you look at the momentum we have right here, that we will get a bullish breakout. All right, so that we'll be able to break above 72,000, which I think is the main level, and that we can start talking about 74 and 75,000. So I do think that's most likely, but I mean, we do need to get like a lot of momentum. And I think one of the main things you need to look at is the volume. Right now, volume is at around, what is it? Can we not see it anymore? No, volume is around $31.5 billion. I'd say that needs to be above $50 billion. If we see some sort of a move up to that level at 72,000 with that much volume, then I think we can break out and make a new all-time high. Otherwise, I think we can stay bullish, but it will be mainly Ethereum that does the heavy lifting, with the Ethereum ETF hopefully being approved today. So that's what we're waiting for, all right? I would say this is most likely, but if the Ethereum ETF gets approved and Bitcoin does not break out, then I think we have to weigh in, or at least I think we have to talk about the possibility of this just being the top of the range, and that we'll see some sort of an altcoin season, all right? Because the Bitcoin dominance, ever since that news around the Ethereum ETF that it's more likely to be accepted, the Bitcoin dominance has been very bearish. What if this is the point of reversal? Then Bitcoin might just consolidate up here, altcoins will rally, and Bitcoin will never break out and make a new all-time high. Like I said, I think it's most likely we will do that, but it's something you have to think about. And as long as there's no bullish breakout, there's not enough confirmation to assume that that Bitcoin at least is going to be more bullish. So those are my thoughts. I think that's what you need to know for now. On the short term, it looks likely that we're in some sort of a bullish flag, right? So that there's a bit of a downtrend into this major support at 68,000. If the ETF gets rejected, I would say it's very likely that this is the top of the range and that will drop back down. If it's accepted, then we have a chance to actually break out. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.